Dr. Paul, I'm referring Mr. George to you for a consultation regarding his persistent abdominal pain. He has a history of heart disease and has been experiencing increasing discomfort in his upper abdomen.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. I'll schedule an appointment for Mr. George as soon as possible. Could you provide me with more details about his symptoms and medical history?
Certainly. Mr. George has been experiencing intermittent abdominal pain for the past few weeks. It's often described as a dull ache or burning sensation. He has also noticed some bloating and loss of appetite.
Has he experienced any nausea or vomiting?
Yes, he has reported occasional nausea, but no vomiting. He has a history of hypertension and is taking several medications.
Thank you for the information, Dr. Mihira. I'll review his medical records and determine the appropriate course of action. It's possible that the abdominal pain could be related to his heart condition or another underlying issue.
I agree. A thorough evaluation is necessary to determine the cause of his symptoms.
It's understandable to feel nervous about your recovery. Everyone heals differently, and it's natural to have some concerns. Mihira, let's talk about your recovery measures. It's important to gradually regain mobility, starting with gentle movements as advised by your healthcare provider. Moving regularly, even in small ways, can prevent complications like stiffness or circulation issues. Breathing exercises are also essential, as they help keep your lungs clear and reduce the risk of complications. Taking slow, deep breaths and following any specific techniques recommended by your care team will support your recovery and overall well-being. While it's natural to want to resume normal activities quickly, avoiding heavy lifting and strenuous tasks is crucial to prevent strain on your body. Your healthcare team will provide personalized activity guidelines, and following them carefully will ensure a smoother healing process. How does that sound to you?